Hello sir, my name is Carlo Tariga and I'm here to report the Chapter 2 Programming Essential in Python Part. Lesson 1, your first program, Hello World. It's time to start writing some real working printing code and very simple for the time being. As we're going to show you some fundamental concept in terms, these snippets of code won't be serious or complex. Alternatively, launch the ideal, create a new Python source file, fill with this code, name the file and save it, now run it, and everything goes okay and you see the rhyme line in the ideal console. Without the code you have to run should look familiar. You saw something very similar when you led through the setting up of the ideal environment. Like this on the screen showing the print hello world. As you can see, the first program consists of the following parts. The word print, an opening parenthesis, a quotation mark, a line of text saying hello world, another quotation mark, a closing parenthesis, and each of the above ways. Okay, what is the word print? The word print, as you can see here, it's a function name. That doesn't mean that whenever the word appears, it's always a function name. The meaning of the word comes from the context which of the word has been used. We have probably encountered the term function many times before during math classes. You can probably also list several names of mathematical functions like sine or log. Python's functions, however, are more flexible and can contain more contents than their mathematical siblings. A function in this context is a separate part of the computer code able to cause some effect. Example, send text to the terminal, create a file, draw an image, play a sound, etc. etc. This is something completely unheard of the world of mathematics. And evaluate a value or some values. For example, the square root of value of length of a given text. This is what makes a Python function the relatives of mathematical concepts. Moreover, many of Python functions can do the above two things together. Where do the functions come from? Where did the functions come from? They may come the Python itself. The Python itself, the print function is one of this kind. Such a function, it's an added value received together with Python in its environment. It's built-in. You don't have to do anything special. For example, ask anyone for anything. Right? If you have to make use of it, they may come from one or more Python's add name modules. Some of the modules come with Python, others may require separate installations. Whatever the case, they all need to be explicitly connected. Feature code, we show you how to do that soon. You can write them yourself, place as many functions as you want, hidden inside the program to make it simpler, clearer, and more elegant. The name of the function should be significant. The name of the print function itself evident. Of course, if you're going to make use in here, I'm using online GTP to show you how to print hello world in language of Python 3. As you can see here, the word print is in there, the parentheses, and the word hello world. Output of the program, hello world. That's all, thank you.